Guys, this is Mandeep in Edmonton, Alberta. In this video, we are in Edmonton downtown, and we're gonna practice on some one-way streets and basically like driving down Edmonton downtown and work on some of the driving rules here. So let's get going. Car is already on. I'm just gonna shift into drive, and seat belt on, mirrors are good. So we are good to go. So we're just gonna pull away from this curb. So if you're parked on the right hand side, before you start moving, then you're supposed to signal left shoulder check. So I'm just checking traffic. There is a bus coming, so just gonna wait for the bus. He is actually turning now, so we are good to go. Okay, so we're gonna signal shoulder check to make sure our blind spot is clear, and now we are good to go. So we have a green light with a walking man sign, so that means the light gonna stay green for us. Again, we are using that as a reference only, okay? But your main focus should be on the traffic light. Your main focus should be at the traffic light. So we are going straight from this intersection as well. So I'm looking for a stop line, and we're gonna do a full stop before the stop line. So here, if you look at the traffic light, there is a sign on the left hand side that indicates the left lane is only for left turns. Okay, so from my lane I can go straight, but there's another lane on the left side, and if you're in that lane, then you're supposed to turn left from that lane. You cannot go straight from that lane. So you always want to read signs, make sure you're looking at the signs. In downtown area, you're gonna see lot of one-way streets as well. So two-way streets, one-way streets. And today it's a Sunday afternoon, but on weekdays it gets very busy here. So you always want to make sure you're looking at the signs, so that way like you don't turn in the wrong direction. So right now our light is still red, but there was a green light for the left turn. So now we got a green light, and we're gonna get moving. Speed limit here, guys, it's 50 kilometers maximum. Now we got another traffic light coming up, and there is a sign no left turn, because this street is a one-way going to the right hand side. We're gonna be turning left at the traffic light, so I signal shoulder check, moving over to the left side. We got a green light, so we're gonna go in the intersection and establish here, and now we are good to go. So we are turning onto a one-way street, so we're gonna go in the first available lane. Now here the first lane was blocked with a parked car, so that's why we can come into this lane. I'm maintaining distance from the parked cars as well. You should have a minimum 1 meter. We're gonna be turning right next, so I'm going to signal right, mirror check, shoulder check, looks clear, and then I'm moving over to the right side. Now we see this black sign indicates this lane you have to turn right. So I'm turning right, there's no pedestrian crossing. First lane is blocked with the traffic, with the parked car, so we come into the next lane. Same thing here, there's white markings on the road that this lane is only for right turns. So let's do another right turn. So signal, shoulder check, moving over, going closer to the curb. Now I'm checking traffic light, checking pedestrians, nobody here, so now we are good to go. So we see a yellow line here, so now we are on a two-way street. So as you can see, some of the streets are one-way streets, some streets are two-way streets, so you have to be very careful, and that's why you want to read signs all the time, okay? Because if you're not reading signs, you're gonna go in the wrong lane, you're gonna go in the wrong direction, and people do that. Like sometimes I see people here going in the wrong direction because they're not paying attention. Okay, so when you stop behind a car, you should be able to see the back tires on the ground. So and when you're sitting on a red light, you still want to keep both hands on the steering, 9 and 3 o'clock hand position. This intersection, guys, we are going straight. So we are right now we are just waiting for the light to turn green. So if you're in Alberta, then if you're looking for driving lessons, you're in Calgary or Edmonton, give me a call, send me a text message. You see the number on the screen, so I will be more than happy to help you. All right, so we got a green light here, so we're gonna get going. So we are still on a two-way street, and I'm maintaining distance from the car in front of me. Speed limit here is maximum 50 kilometers. Okay, so just gonna stop here, signal, shoulder check. All right guys, that's it for this video. Thank you very much. And again, if you're in Alberta looking for driving lessons, class 5, class 4, even class 1, I can help you guys. Give me a call, send me a text message. You can visit my website, link is in the description below. You can also send me an email. We are on Facebook as well, Facebook, Instagram. We are on social media everywhere. So give me a call. Hopefully I will talk to you soon. Thank you very much, and I will do another video for you guys.